head out.
Let's go, Trek.
Good morning. This is Ryan from Great Earth Expeditions coming at you with another adventure video. And this time we are in the valley. Now I know what most of you are thinking. The Annapolis Valley, Nova Scotia is known for its wines, the Bay of Fundy, which has the highest tides in the world, and more recently, apple cider. But those three things aside, it also has some fantastic hikes like Cape Split, which is one of the more well-known ones, but also many, many hidden waterfalls. Today we're in the Greenwood area, which is home to the largest air base in Atlantic Canada, and there are a number of waterfalls here. Today we're going to actually check out two, and the first one being Crystal Falls. So let's get to it. So we're just making our way through this absolutely stunning hemlock forest. Obviously there was a recent snowfall. Halifax, there's no snow, and here there's actually quite a nice covering of white. And even throughout the trees, if you take a look up there, you'll see it yourself.
It's a pizza pie.
Look at that, the moon.
Nice one.
Isn't nature awesome? What are you doing?
Staying warm.
So I'm back in the office, warm and dry, and I must admit today was the absolute perfect day. The conditions were amazing. The temperature was right, there was snow in the forest, and not only that, the waterfalls themselves blew my expectations out of the water. If you're looking to do some waterfalling yourself here in Nova Scotia, might I suggest the Bibles of Waterfalling in Nova Scotia, written by friend and fellow adventurer Ben Lalund. Both of these books are absolutely fantastic. They got all kinds of information on how to find these waterfalls, some great photos to go along with the descriptions, and not only that, some really detailed maps to find these places. One of them is dedicated to the entire province of Nova Scotia, and one just to Cape Breton Island. With that said, do yourself a favor, grab a couple of these books, keep them in your car, get out there and explore, and we'll see you again soon for another adventure video.